Okay. So hello guys, how are you? Once again, welcome you all on to the channel Let's Crack 9th and 10th CBSE. जी हाँ बच्चों, अन अकेडमी के चैनल लेट्स क्रैक 9th एंड 10th सीबीएसई पर एक बार फिर से आप सभी का स्वागत. ओके, एंड एज यूजुअल आई एम अमन गुप्ता, योर ओन मैथ एजुकेटर. मैं आपका अपना मैथ टीचर बच्चों, वेयर यू डिस्कस ऑल योर क्लास 9th, क्लास 10th and NTSC problems of maths. You know I am MTech graduate and from last 5 years regularly mentoring JEE or NTSC students. Okay, and what guys? Let's crack it. So we start our today class. What is our topic of discussion? Yes, before starting you have to know which topic we are going to convey. We are going to deal today with sequence and series, and in which AP, arithmetic progression, which we discuss today in very detail. Okay, some questions with smart tricks. Okay guys, so most important chapter for your class 10 CBSE, also for NTSC exams. Yes, and it convey almost 8 marks in your 10 CBSE exams. Okay, so what is talk of the day? First we know about what is sequence, what is series, then we convey about progression, then we talk about AP and little bit about GP and HP. Okay, yes. So before starting I have to convey you all the things about Unacademy platform. Okay, what are the benefits you will get after taking your subscription? Okay, as you take your subscription, what are the features you will get from the Unacademy? Okay, so first of all you will get what? Daily live classes. बच्चों आपको मिलेगी आपके सारे सब्जेक्ट्स की, each and every subject like English, SST, math, science, any subject in your CBSE you can do all daily live classes. First feature. Second is daily live test and quizzes. So guys, all you know the importance of test and quizzes, because at the student life when we read, okay, when the teachers teach us something we say what? Yes sir, yes ma'am. And when that same question come in the exams, what we say? No sir, no ma'am, I forget this, I forget this. So for handling with this situation, we have regular test and quizzes in between the chapter also. Like I'm going to teach you approx 4 to 5 new concepts of AP. Okay, so between that I will play also some quizzes so that checking your grasping power. Okay guys, चलिए. Next thing is what? Structured course. आपका जो कोर्स है guys, that will be planned in a very structured way. Okay, so that you can score very well and learn all the things very comfortably. Clear? Next and final feature of Unacademy subscription will be unlimited access. Guys, you will get here unlimited access regarding your course. Okay, आपको मिलेगी बच्चों unlimited access. Like mean, if due to any reasons you miss 3 to 4 day classes, okay, and you know in offline schools, coachings, nobody will repeat that things. Okay, means that topic will be left out and you will convey confused whole year in that. But here that problem is resolved. Okay, if you miss that class, you will get PDF for that class first, recorded lectures, and also you can convey your doubts with your teacher. आप अपने सारे डाउट्स बच्चों डिस्कस कर पाओगे अपने टीचर्स से. ओके, चलिए. सो नॉट ओनली मी, अ लॉट ऑफ एजुकेटर्स आर हियर टू टीच यू एंड गाइड यू. ओके, and they all are experts in their respective subjects. Like Devinder sir was, yes, fantastic faculty of SST. Yes, Sikandar sir, Deepak sir, yes, mathematics faculty. Yes, so a lot of tutors. If you talking about math, social science, एक पूरी की पूरी टीम अवेलेबल है बच्चों आपको गाइड करने के लिए, आपकी मेंटरशिप के लिए. Okay, so don't be await the most largest platform Unacademy. Hope so. Yes, you all have Telegram app in your phones. Yes, so if you don't have, download it एंड URL में जाके बच्चों आपको टाइप करना है http:/t.me/quiz10cbse. Okay, as you join this group guys, what you will get, you will get all updates of about next class. Yes, आपको बच्चों मिलते रहेंगे अपडेट्स अबाउट अवर नेक्स्ट एवरी क्लासेस. Okay, so that you can come, join and learn a lot of new things regarding your subject. Now guys, the main point was that, yes, many students asked to me, sir, how we start our study with Unacademy. Okay, so what I said to you guys, if you are in class 9th, 10th, 11th or 12th and want to prepare for CBSE, okay, yes, what you have to do, you can go for 12 months, 24 months, 36 months, any appropriate plan which is fit. Yes, but I will suggest, yes, go for at least 12-month plan for better of your preparation, for better preparation. Yes, for better preparation. Okay, and when you apply my code SPAG10 SPAG10, you will get directly 10% off from Unacademy. Okay guys, and some of students tell to me, sir, that price is so costly. So guys, I said to him, divide this price by 12, so that will be 1125 per month. आपको पे करने होंगे केवल 1125 रुपए पर मंथ. ओके गाइस, 1125 पर मंथ you have to pay. ओके, चलिए, तो गाइस you know that 1125 you pay only per subject in normal coachings or tuition classes, but here you will get all subject in 1125. So guys, I promise you that was the cheapest one across any online platform, along with good quality content. Here the content was very devoted by very expert faculties. They have lot of experience in their respective subjects. Okay, so that's all about coming on talk of the day, sequence and series, progression, and then finally AP. Okay, so my first question to each of my student, मेरा सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन बच्चों जो आप सभी से होगा, that is what is sequence. पहला क्वेश्चन जो मैं आपसे पूछूंगा वो क्या, कि बच्चों what is sequence. Yes, okay, so what you have to know, a sequence is an arrangement of numbers. Mind it guys, arrangement of numbers in a definite order according to some rule. सीक्वेंस क्या है, अरेंजमेंट ऑफ नंबर्स. नंबर्स का अरेंजमेंट है गाइस इन अ डेफिनेट ऑर्डर विच फॉलो सम पर्टिकुलर रूल्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट व्हाट आई कन्वे टू यू, I have to show you some examples. Okay, as you see in the list, what you see in the list, you will see what, see all the options very carefully, A, B and C part. Okay, in part A what you recognize 1, 4, 7, 10. And what you see as common rule, each number is increased by 3. Okay, next is what, 3 minus 9, 27 minus 81. What you see here, each number is multiplied by minus 3, a common funda in each. And next is what you see, 1, 8, 27, 64. And what is the rule here, cubes of natural numbers. Clear? That means each number will satisfy a particular rule. Okay, I don't think anybody have any confusion till now, so hope so you will be very much cleared about sequences. Okay, let's ask a question to you. Can you please tell me what is the funda applying here? Tell me what is the funda applying here. I write 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. So obviously you can say that, sir, it is sum of not squares of natural numbers. Squares of natural numbers. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, very good, very good. Now coming on to the next concept, types of sequence. So when we are going to talk you about types of sequences, then we have two types, finite, infinite. Okay, अब as clear from the name, first one is finite. Okay guys, finite means fixed. When the number of terms in a sequence is fixed. बच्चों जब किसी सीक्वेंस में नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स क्या होंगे, फिक्स होंगे, देन व्हाट आई कन्वे व्हाट, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ फाइनाइट सीक्वेंस. लाइक आई टेक एन एग्जांपल एज 1 4 है ना, 9 16 25 एज सो ऑन टिल 100 टर्म्स. So what I know is that it sequence contain exact what? This sequence contain 100 terms. So 100 is a finite number. So it is called a finite sequence. Okay. And next is what? Infinite sequence. If I write it down like this, 1 4 9 as so on till infinity. That means I don't know how much numbers are present in this sequence. So in that case it is called infinite sequence. Is it clear? Is it clear, yes or no? Okay, so what the things you convey till here, I think you all can convey properly about what is sequence and what are finite sequence, what are infinite sequence. Okay, moving further. Again, a good example which can ask to you in 2 marks surely. 2 marks will be given if you do this question right in your exams. What is given to you? Write down the first 4 terms of the sequence if Tn. But your Tn is a function which defines the terms of this sequence. तो हमें कोई भी फर्स्ट 4 टर्म्स फाइंड करने हैं, देन व्हाट शुड आई कैन टेक n is equal to 1 first. So put n1, so it will be t1, and when I put 1 it will be 3 multiplied 1 plus 1 divided by 2 multiply 1 minus 1. So 3 plus 1 will be 4, 2 minus 1 will be 1, so our answer will be 4. Putting next n is equal to 2, so it will be t2 is equals to 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 minus 1. So 3 2 just 6 plus 1 7 divided by 3. Second term should be clear to each and everybody. Coming for third term, I can put n is equal to 3. You can put n anything. Okay, yeah, but a natural number surely. T3 will be 3 multiplied by 3 plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 3 minus 1, and that will going to be what? 9 plus 1 10 divided by 5. Okay, is equals to 2. And last one is what? T4. So T4 will be 4 into 3 plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 minus 1. So that will be 12 plus 1 13, 4 into 2 8 minus 1 7. Okay, yeah, so 13 by 7, 2 4 and 7 by 3. I'll get as what? I'll get these 4 terms of this sequence. Am I right? 4 7 by 3, 2 13 by 7. क्लियर है बात? यस और नो? पक्का? चलिए. So that type you can find any number of terms of any sequence where nth term is given to you. Clear it all? Now we coming on to what? Arithmetic progression. Okay guys, so from now we recall this arithmetic progression in the short as AP. We pronounce it like what? As AP. ओके गाइस, एपी कॉल्ड करेंगे हम इसको. एंड व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एपी? हियर यू हैव डेफिनेशंस ऑफ एपी. व्हाट यू कॉल्ड अबाउट एपी? द सीक्वेंस इन विच each term is increased or decreased. Guys, any sequence in which each term is increased or decreased by a constant term, it's called an AP. Okay, yes. And also we can say that in an AP, difference between two terms is always constant. Coming on to the first definition, सबसे पहले मैं बात करूंगा आपसे. Each term is increases or decreases by a constant term. ऐसी कोई भी सीरीज जिसमें each and every term इंक्रीज हो रहा हो या डिक्रीज हो रहा हो किसी भी कांस्टेंट टर्म से, दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? एपी. फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन या फर्स्ट वे टू write down an AP. And second way, yes, we also convey that in an AP, difference between two terms is always constant. Okay, while that common difference is called, while that constant difference is called common difference. That means what we can convey, when the difference between two consecutive terms will be same, then it is also called an AP. I'll take you general APs. Yes, examples of general APs are what? Examples of general APs are like that. Like I can take A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, because I said increases. And next what I say, A minus D, A minus 2D, A minus 3D. What I say, decreases. Okay, yes. So it may be either increases, either decreases by a constant term. Clear everyone? Hope so clear to you. चलिए, now we discuss about the basic formulas of AP. बच्चों अब हम बात करेंगे आपसे basic formulas of AP. So here are two important formulas of this chapter, yes, in which we are going to deliver all the numericals today. First is to find nth term, and that formula is represented as Tn, which equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, nth term of any sequence. Okay, and sum of n terms of AP, sum of n terms of AP is the second formula, which is defined by n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, and we have another formula for that. What? N by 2 a plus l. So here we discuss three formulas. First is this, a plus n minus 1 into D. Second is this, and third is this. Now you say, sir, what is this A and D and L? So yes, that all are the notations. Please keep in mind what is the meaning of what term. सबसे पहले बच्चों आपके सामने है A, that is the value of first term. Okay, next is what? N is what? Total number of terms in the series. Okay, total number of terms which is present in the given sequence. Okay guys, D is, as you know, what? Common difference. And another new one was L. L is what, guys? Last term of the sequence. Okay, so these are the four notations. A will be your first term of the sequence, N denotes total number of terms, D is common difference, L is called what? Last term. Okay guys, chaliye, now starting from the questions era. Okay, starting from very basic question. First question is on your display, that have two types. Okay, yeah, first part I will say you, second you have to try. चलिए, तो we start with first part. First part is what? 5, 11, 17, 23. Am I right? So find the nth term of each of the following. Chaliye. So guys, tell me what is the value of a here. You know that a is the first term, which is 5. What is d? D is t2 minus t1. Second term minus first term. So that will going to be what? 11 minus 5. That value will be 6. And last one is what? We have to find the nth term. So Tn will be, the formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. A is what? 5 plus n minus 1 into d is 6. So that is 5 plus 6n minus 6. That value will be 6n minus 1. So Tn will be decided as what? 6n minus 1. Okay, so I done A part for you and I'll give you 30 seconds to attempt B part. Go for it. Everyone should have to solve it honestly on your copy. Yes, 30 seconds you all have for it. Okay guys, go for it. Go for it everyone beta, it's a very easy one. So that after that question we will start some good quality questions of this chapter. Okay, yeah, everyone have to solve it. Go for it. Chaliye, move on. Yes. So it's again an easy one guys. What should I saw? I saw that sequence is 16, 9, 2, 5. Okay. So A is what? 16. D is what? 9 minus 16. Okay. So what I can write? I can write Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into t. ठीक है, चलिए. So A is equal to 16 plus n minus 1. We don't know the value of n, so we write n minus 1 and d will be what guys? Minus 7. Okay, चलिए move on. It will be 16 minus 7n plus 7. So 16 plus 7 will be 23 minus of 7n. So that is the value of Tn. Okay, so Tn is equal to 23 minus 7n. Okay guys, move further. Yes, again first question I'll convey to you, second you have to attempt it. What we have to do in this question? Yes guys, we have to find in first question 20th term of AP. आपको बताना है बच्चों what 20th term of this AP. Okay, yes. So then what should I have to do? I have to do, yes, first I have to write down the AP. That will be what? 9, 13, 17, 21. Okay, so what I know age 9. And what's about D? D is 13 minus 9 is equals to 4. So what should we have to find? We have to find 20th term. T20 will be what? A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay guys, chaliye. So value of A will be what? 9. N is what given to us? 20 minus 1 and value of D will be 4. So we get 9 20 minus 1 will be 19 into 4. Yes, 76. And that will be going what? 76 plus 9 will be what? 85. Done? Okay, very good. Second, 35 term of this. Yes. Then again what you can write? First you have to write down the AP, which is what? 20, 17, 14 and 11. Value of A is, guys, what? 20. D is what? 17 minus 20. That will be minus 3. And we have to find what? 35th term. T35 will be what? A plus n minus 1 into D. And A is what? 20. N minus 1. Yes. 35 minus 1 into D will be what? Minus 3. So it will be what? 20 minus 34 into 3. Yes, it will be 102. So what it remains? It remains minus of 82. Clear, guys? So in that way we can find any term of given AP, like we find T20, 20th term or 35th term. Is it clear, everyone? Yes or no? Okay. Yes. If the 14th term, next question is on your display, and what is given? 14th term of an AP is twice its 7th term. Okay. And if the 5th term is 10, you have to find 50th third term. I'll give you 60 seconds. Go for it, attempt it, and then we will discuss it. Surely. Yes, everyone have to attempt it, guys. Are you able to analyze this question in your mind or not? Okay. Surely then we can discuss in detail. खाता बुक आपके बिजनेस. Go for it, everyone. Nothing hard, nothing tough in this. You have to honestly attempt it. Okay, guys? Chaliye, move on. Okay, so what we can do? Yes, look it carefully, everyone. Everyone have to look it. Yes. Okay, it's the highlighter. We have to take your pen. Yes, चलिए start करते हैं अपन. Move on. 14th term of an AP. It's twice its 7th term. यानी कि T14 is equals to twice of T7. Okay, guys. What about 14th term? 14th term is A plus 13D. Am I right? It's equals to twice of T7. A plus 6D. And when I solve it further, it will be what? A plus 13D is equals to 2A plus 12D. Okay, so I can see 13D minus 12D is equals to 2A minus A. It's equals to A. D is equal to A. Okay, yes. Next is what? If 5th term is 0, guys, what is given to us? T5 is equals to 0. And T5 is what? A plus 4D. Okay, guys. Okay. Yeah. 5th term is not 0, it is 10. Okay, that's little mistake, not to worry. A plus 4D is equal to 10, and as we know A is equal to D, so it will be A plus 4A is equal to what, guys? 10. 5A will be 10. then value of A will be 2, which is equals to D. Am I right? Am I right, guys? Okay. What we have to do? 53rd term, T53, which is A plus n minus 1 into D. And we know what is the value of A. A is what, guys? 2. N minus 1, value of n is 53 minus 1 multiplied by D, 2. So it will be going, guys, 2 plus 52 multiplied by 2 will be 104, and it will going what? 106. So now T53 will be going what? 106. Okay, everyone, move on further. So if I am going to recall this question to you guys, what I saw, 14th term is twice of 7th term. I write it down here as you see it. T14 is equal to twice of T7. Am I right? Okay, and then what I saw guys, I saw what? Yes, when I calculate it, I see that here A is equal to D. बच्चों जो A की वैल्यू आ रही है वो D के बराबर आ रही है. Next, what question says to me? Question says to me T5 is equal to 10. फिफ्थ टर्म की वैल्यू क्या है बच्चों? फिफ्थ टर्म की वैल्यू क्या है? 10. That means A plus 4D is equals to 10. Okay, and when we know that A is equals to D, that means A plus 4A is equal to 10. 5A will be equals to 10. So that A will be 2, which equals to D. And we have to calculate T53, 53rd term of this sequence. Okay, guys, which is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, and what? 2 plus 53 minus 1 into 2, and getting my answer 1006. T53, 53rd term will be what? 106. Okay, guys, chaliye. Move on to the next question, and now I give you 60 seconds for it. I give you 60 seconds for this question. Go for it, everyone. Go for it. Yeah. Okay. So what question convey to me here? Question convey again as the previous one. 19th term of an AP is 3 times of 6th term, and if its 9th term is 19, then find the AP. आपको बतानी है बच्चों क्या? AP. ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपन. ओके, where is your? Okay, just a minute. Okay, guys, so guys, what? T19, 19th term is equals to 3 times of 6th term, T6. Okay, yes. If its 9th term is 19, उसके बाद में करेंगे बच्चों. T19 will be A plus 18D is equal to thrice of T6, A plus 5D. So it will be going A plus 18D is equal to 3A plus 15D. So what I can see here, 18D minus 15D is equals to 3A minus A. So that will going to be 3D is equals to 2A, and A will be coming up 3D divided by 2. Okay, guys. Now next, what is given to us? If it's 9th term, is 19. So 9 term will be a plus 8d is equals to 19. Okay guys, so a plus 8d, a is what? 3d by 2 plus 8d divided by 19. So if I take LCM as 2, it will be 3d plus 16d is equals to 19. So what I get? I get 19d is equals to 38 and value of d is 2. And if d is 2, put d here, 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 2. So value of a will be 3. So guys, what I saw, first term is 3, common difference is 2. So 3 plus 2 will be 5, 7, 9 and 11 will be what? Will be my AP. Okay guys, should we proceed? So again let's take and cross check quickly. Yes, what is given to us? 19th term of an AP is equals to 3 times of its 6th term. And T19 guys, T19 is equals to thrice of T6. Okay, and what is given again? T9 is equals to 19. Ninth term will be 19. When I solve it, I get the value of A is 3 and getting the value of D is 2. And what is our sequence? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, nice. Going for the next. Yes, if the ninth term of AP is minus 32, बच्चों किसी सीक्वेंस के नाइन्थ टर्म की वैल्यू है माइनस 32 एंड द सम ऑफ इट्स 11th एंड 13th टर्म इज माइनस 94. इसके 11th और 13th टर्म की वैल्यू क्या है बच्चों? 94. आपको बताना है कॉमन डिफरेंस ऑफ दैट एपी. You have to tell the common difference of that AP. Okay, go for it, and I'll give you 90 seconds for it. 90 seconds you all have. Go for it, then we will discuss it in detail. Okay, yeah, surely. चलिए मूव ऑन बेटा. वी डिस्कस ऑलरेडी 2 एग्जांपल्स टू क्लैरिफाइंग यू. यस, सो मूव ऑन, नॉट टू वरी अबाउट इट. यस, let's see what's your answer coming up. Yes, waiting for your answer guys. Yes, what I saw in this question. Yes, ninth term of an AP is minus 32. अब guys, I know that ninth term will be T9 is equals to minus 32. Okay, yes, T9 will be A plus 8D is equals to minus 32. Okay, and what is next? Sum of its 11th and 13th term means T11 plus T13 is equals to minus 94. Okay guys, 11th will be guys what? A plus 10D and 13th will be A plus 12D equal to minus 94. 2a plus 22d which equals to minus 94, a plus 11d which equal to minus 47. Okay, so I have to take both equations simultaneously. A plus 11d which equals to minus 47, minus minus plus, a is cancelled out by a, minus 11d plus 8d will be what? Minus 3d which equals to what? 15. D is equal to what? Minus 5. Okay, and when I put D here, it will be 11 plus 5 will be minus 55 which equals to minus 47. Oh, question will be finished. They asked about what? Common difference. So answer will be minus 5. Hope so you maximum of you done it already. Okay, चलिए now अब चलते हैं बच्चों कॉम्पिटिटिव अप्रोच की तरफ. लाइक दिस इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन बच्चों आपसे जनरली पूछे जाएंगे कहां पर? यस, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में. What is given? Determine that this and this are three consecutive terms of an AP and remind the second definition of AP. What I tell you in the second definition, what I say you, difference between consecutive term is same. So if I take it as T1, take it as T2, take it as T3. So difference will be going same. It will be T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2. Clear? My T2 is what? T2 is 4k minus 6. T1 is what? 3k minus 2. T3 is what? K plus 2. And T2 is what? 4k minus 6. Okay, move on guys. 4k minus 3k will be k and minus 6 plus 2 will be minus 4. K minus 4k will be minus 3k and 2 plus 6 will be 8. Okay, so let's solve it. K plus 3k, 8 plus 4 will be 12. So it will be going guys what? 4k is equals to 12 and value of k will be 3. I think that will clear to every one of you. Yes or no? Okay, moving to the next question के लिए आपको I'll give you 45 seconds. Find the values of A and B so that the given sequence form an AP. आपको बताना है A और B की क्या values होंगी so that this sequence will be in AP. Okay, move on. Everybody should move on. Yes. चले अगेन बेटा क्या करो आप स्प्लिट करके देखो इस सीक्वेंस को. स्प्लिट लाइक व्हाट? T1, T2, T3 एंड T4. और अभी हमने जो फंडा लगाया बेटा उसके अकॉर्डिंग कैन आई से T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2 and similarly I can say what? T4 minus T3 is equals to T3 minus T2. Yes or no? Because what I say in the definition of AP, हमने बात की थी बच्चों in the AP difference between two consecutive term will remain same throughout the series. चलिए तो अब सॉल्व करते हैं. T2 is what? 9. T1 is what? A. T3 is what? B and T2 is 9. Okay, so चलिए तो it will be 9 plus 9 is equals to A plus B which will be equals to 18. So A plus B is equals to what? 18. Okay, moving forward T4 minus T3. Yes, 25 minus T3b is equals to T3b minus 9. Okay, so when I solve it further, 25 plus 9 is equals to 2b, and 2b is equal to what, guys? 34. B is equals to what? 17. And if b is 17, so when I put it b here, a plus 17 is equal to 18. Value of a is 1. Okay, guys, so a will be 1 and b will be what? 17. Clear everyone? Yes or no? Tell me. Okay, so क्विकली एक बार फिर से रिमाइंड कर लेते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को बच्चों हम. व्हाट वी डू इन दैट. यस, हमने क्या क्या किया है इसमें अभी तक. चलिए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ ए एंड बी वेयर a, 9, b, 25 आर फॉर्मिंग एन AP. क्या कर रहे हैं बच्चों? फॉर्म कर रहे हैं हमको एक AP. ओके गाइस, चलिए मूव ऑन. नाउ व्हाट शुड आई अप्लाई? डिफरेंस विल बी रिमेन सेम. T2 minus T1 is equals to T3 minus T2. And similarly I applied what? T4 minus T3 is equal to T3 minus T2. Okay, yes. चलिए, which term of AP is first negative term? Yes, that's very important and conceptual one. Yes, that is going to be very important one. Or yes, so what I have to do in that, guys? What I have to do, मुझे बताना है इस चीज का सबसे फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म. ओके, सो फॉर फाइंडिंग इट व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, मुझे करना क्या होगा भाई? आई हैव टू डू व्हाट? यस, हियर. Yeah, what I have to do, which term is first negative? I don't know which term is first negative, so I'll take what? I'll take as Tn, nth term less than 0. Okay guys, मुझे चाहिए first negative term and I don't know which term is first negative term. What I consider A. First term is 121. Next is what? B. T2 minus T1, 117 minus 121. D is equal to minus 4. Okay, so A is equal to 121, D is equal to minus 4. Okay guys, चलिए move on. चले, अब हमें Tn लेस देन 0 बेटा सॉल्व करना है. तो A फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट? A प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी शुड बी लेस देन 0. और a की वैल्यू जैसा कि मैं देख पा रहा हूं 121 प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी विल बी व्हाट? माइनस 4 शुड बी लेस देन 0. ठीक है, चलिए भाई, तो 121 माइनस 4n प्लस 4 शुड बी लेस देन 0. It will be going what? 125 less than 4n. So what I saw guys, 4n should be greater than 125. In that case what I see, n should be greater than 125 divided by 4 and n must be 31.25. तो बच्चों 31.25 के बाद नेक्स्ट इंटीजर वैल्यू क्या होगी हमारी? टेल मी, what is the next integer value of n after 31.25? Tell me. So it's quite obvious to all that next integer value will be 32. Okay, clear everyone? Next, now first question of summation of n terms. बच्चों अब हम बात करेंगे आपसे सम ऑफ एन टर्म्स के बारे में. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ समीशन ऑफ एन टर्म्स. first question of summation of n terms. Yes. Okay, चलिए तो can you remind the formula? Will you all reminded the formula of sum of n terms? Yes. What the formula I conveyed to you previously, that sum of n terms is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay guys, sum of n terms will be n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Clear? Okay, moving further, n by 2, what I have to do? N by 2, n is what? I am going to solve first question. N is what? 19 divided by 2, twice of a is my first term 2 plus n minus 1 19 minus 1 multiplied by d, and you see d is what? 7 minus 2 will be 5. So that will be going to be 19 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 19 minus 1 will be 18, 18 into 5 90. Okay guys, chaliye, so that will be going 19 by 2 and 94. So you can solve it, it will going to be 47, and I know you all can solve it now properly. Okay, yes. Again another one, B part की बात कर लेते हैं बच्चों आपसे एक बार फिर से. First term age what? 9. Second we talk about common difference, that will be 7 minus 9 is equals to minus 2, and n number of terms is 14. I have to find Sn as 14. Formula will be remain same, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 14 by 2 2a 2 into 9 plus n minus 1, 14 minus 1 will be 13 multiplied by minus 2. 14 by 2 7, 2 multiplied by 9 18, and 13 2 are 26. What it will be? 7 multiplied by minus 8, it will be minus 56. And hope so that will be clear to each of you. Yes or no guys? Okay, so that's yes. Now I want to convey each of you about next schedule on our special classes. Yes guys, on tomorrow morning we are going to meet with all of you on what? Yes, question practice on lines and angles at morning 9 AM. Yes, मॉर्निंग में 9 AM पर बच्चों मिलने वाले हैं आपसे क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस किसकी? लाइंस एंड एंगल्स की. ओके, एंड ऑन 30 अगस्त वी हैव अ मेगा पोल सेशन. हमारे पास क्या है बच्चों? पोल सेशन है हमारे पास. किसका? ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का. बोथ क्लासेस विल बी ऑन वेयर? अनअकैडमी स्पेशल क्लासेज. आपको क्लासेस ज्वाइन करने के लिए क्या करना है बच्चों? अनअकैडमी ऐप को इंस्टॉल करना है अपने फोन में, और ट्यूटर लिस्ट में जाके बच्चों आपको फॉलो करना है अमन गुप्ता सर को. देन यू विल गेट ऑल द नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ दीज क्लासेस. ओके गाइज, till then thanks a lot for joining me in this class. Yes, hope so you have a lot of new learning. Okay, and subscribe to our channel Let's Crack 9th and 10th CBSE. Click the bell icon for getting more updates about it, and that is my code SPAG10 SPAG10. If you are going and planning for any subscription with Unacademy, apply this code and getting 10% discount. What is my Telegram group? Yes, Telegram group को भी अच्छे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं आप Unacademy के, where you get all updates of upcoming all classes of your 9th and 10th syllabus. Till then, goodbye. Love you all. Meet you once again with the question practice of AP. Okay, bye bye, love you all.